Hello! That's Chris, this is Garden.
That's technically an engine.
I forgot myself. Well, he left. Today, we're gonna take this battery and fix it.
Yes, because my car has been having some slight issues with having electrification and things like that. Sometimes it won't start until I move the negative terminal around a couple times. We're gonna show you exactly what we're gonna do to fix it if you guys actually do have this problem when you put your own ground kit in like we did. So, without further ado, here we go.
So you look at all the negatives that you put on and did a dusty, crusty job with. And since it's all properly connected, you can tell that this little thing is loose right here. So what you gotta do is tighten your terminals down. But his terminal, whoa, hello. This terminal is actually fastened all the way down, so we're gonna shove a piece of metal conductor in here. Ideally, you should put a new terminal. However, we don't have one. So I'm gonna put a temporary plate.
Perfect.
You need a tools.
I don't know why he's talking like that, but just bear with it.
And some knowledge. You put this one here. This is here, and like something like this. Wow. Oh, loosen it like that. I doubt it fits well.
Let's find out.
It does not fit. What are you doing? Cool. Let's find something thinner. Okay. So my plan failed. I shoved a nail in it for temporary purposes. We will fix it momentarily. But this is a quick fix if you're on the road.
Hopefully you have a nail just hanging around.
Yeah, you might find nails anywhere. You could pick something up. What basically I did, I just made the terminal a little bit tighter.
That way.
You could also get it by in a pinch with aluminum foil. Just cover it over and I'll do it.
So hopefully you guys can keep a little packet of aluminum foil in your car, just in case.
Most cars don't have this issue, but this is why a lot of cars start to have electrical issues if you change your battery. A lot of this stuff just becomes loose.
Unfortunately. Just like that. Just like that.
Just like that.
Just like that. See,
Now
just like that.
that's a tight terminal.
Now, let's see if I have any problems getting into the car and just at least letting all the electricals turn on. Fancy. Well, everything's turning on, and here we go. How you guys can be.
Wow.
Yeah. However, it did reset everything in my car. Yeah. But it's okay. I can just fix it later. Not a big deal. Not a big deal.
So the permanent solution is change your terminal. We'll be doing in another video.
Yes, we will do that in a separate video.
This is a good quick get you by.
Quick tip, hint, and trick on how to make sure that you keep your car lasting until you get the, the funds or whatever part that you can't found for you to fix it. Now
This thing will cost probably about half a cent.
That's true. That's true. Let us know in the comments below if you guys like seeing this little trick. If you guys want to see more tips, hints, or tricks, let us know. Also, don't forget to like the video over here somewhere, and subscribe over there with the bell. That way you guys can get the notification when we upload. Don't forget to share this to your friends who might, need some help.
Never know. Never know. Yeah.
Always look out for each other. In the car community, we have nobody else but each other. True, but anyway. That's true, yeah. Anyway, we'll see you guys next time on some more SW Motorsports. Bye.